Due to the reason that we have only 9 days. So if you have a marathon, you cannot get prepared to it in 9 days. If you have a competition, you would like to grow your muscles and become a bodybuilder, you need more than that. Ramadan, for people, is different. Some of us are blessed by Allah to have lived Ramadan throughout the whole year. So they're used to fasting Mondays and Thursdays, every month, every week. And they're used to fasting the 3 days, the white days every month. They're used to fasting Arafat, Ashura, everything. They are used to reciting 1 juz' minimum every night in tahajjud prayer. And they are used to giving charity for those who are needy, other than the zakat money. So and they're used to engaging in dhikr after the salat. They're used to getting the hour plus after Fajr prayer in the masjid, remembering Allah until the sun rises, then praying 2 rak'ah to get the reward of Umrah and Hajj. Perfect every single day. So when Ramadan comes, nothing much changes for them. Business is as usual. And they are astonished when they see people being fatigued and tired and hungry and thirsty and cannot move. To them, it's business as usual, but they put it up a notch in the sense that, yeah, 1 juz' is not sufficient. So now we read 5 juz' a day or 7 juz' a day. Now we prolong our night prayer from like 50 minutes or 40 minutes into an hour or 2 hours. Now we are more careful in what we say and speak because we don't want any sins. There is no social media, there is no YouTube or TV channels at all blocked. We would like to focus on getting as much reward as we can. There is a lot on their mind how to gain rewards. Okay, connecting to my next of kin, my uncles, my aunts, my cousins, I haven't seen them. Let me get in touch with them. Charity work, sadaqah, feeding the poor at the masjid, attending the first takbir in the masjid. There are a lot of things and the sky is the limit. However, the vast majority of the Muslims won't succeed, unfortunately, except those whom Allah has blessed. Why, Sheikh? Why being so pessimistic? Because the vast majority of the Muslims, the first couple of days of Ramadan, they're all geared up, they're charged up, and they fast and they do the Taraweeh and they do the Quran. On the third or fourth night, they find that they're out of gas, out of wind, totally. Oh, it's so difficult, I can't go on, I don't know what to do, I'm so bored, I need to steam off a little bit, I need to do something, refresh, can I watch this, can I play with this, can I go here and there? And they soon get distracted and everything goes back to normal, except that they are not eating or drinking. But everything else, the haram, watching and listening and acting upon, is business as usual. So to prepare for Ramadan, it's not only this month, it's a full life system that you have to adjust and synchronize with the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, to live like he lived, to go around like he did, and also to be like the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. And as I said, this